Welcome to the grill, and tonight we've got burgers, but with a Hawaiian twist.
Come on in, grab a plate and hold on to your appetite. It's time for Floyd at the Grill.
Now the pineapple idea and recipe come from my good friend and colleague, Bill. We've just got some sliced pineapple here from Can Publix, and I kept the pineapple juice because pineapple juice is awesome. Anyway, what the recipe calls for basically is for some lemon juice, which I did not have, and also some pumpkin spice, but Publix didn't have pumpkin spice, they were out of it, so I found out, thanks to Google, that pumpkin spice is comprised of cinnamon, turmeric, and allspice. And I'm adding in some nutmeg because nutmeg. So we'll doctor these up on both sides and get them ready for the grill. Now our burgers tonight are going to be some basic burgers. We're just going to use some Costco Kirkland Signature organic ground beef. Kiss it a little bit with Papa's Pepper Extreme and use some Montreal steak seasoning as our seasonings for our burgers. And we're gonna mix those up and form them into patties. And then it'll be time to throw them on the grill. Burgers are prepped and ready, and it's time to put them on the grill. Our coals are looking good. I've got the coal setting onto the right side, offset a little bit, so we have a little bit of an indirect area and a direct area. Of course, we're gonna start them off with direct heat. Also had that area, indirect area for the pineapples too, because they can cook pretty fast. Got 5 patties seasoned up, ready to go, and now burgers are on the grill. Had a few minutes on our burgers, so we'll flip them over and take a look at them. Right now they're cooking really good. Looking at that color, looking good on the upside. So let's flip them and see what we got. Yeah, that color's turning in very nicely. Flame broiling. The Montreal steak seasoning is giving a nice little char on the outside there. Mash them down just a little bit, get some of those juices out. Also to spread them out a little bit because they are turning into little pebbles here. And we want a flat burger, not a pebble. I know you love my skills of flipping burgers because, well, hard to do this one-handed. So we got them flipped, and we'll let them cook on the underside. All right, it's time to take our burgers off of the grill. They've got a nice, good, well done look to them. Yeah, the juices are looking good. Usually if you squeeze them, you got a little blood coming out, and you know it's not done. But these are definitely done. So we will take them off. And it'll be time to grill up our pineapple. Our pineapples are all seasoned and ready for the grill, so let's take them and put them on. So just quickly hand them onto the grill. They won't take this long. We're gonna kind of do a little bit of a direct cook here with our pineapples right straight over the coals. And they'll only take a couple minutes because you really just want to give them a little bit of char, and then not too much after that, and let some of that seasoning caramelize in, give it a nice little taste. All right, before we give these pineapples a flip, I got a couple of buns I want to toast up here, so we'll go ahead and throw those indirectly on the grill up here so they can get nice and toasty. So yeah, we had our pineapples going for a couple of minutes, and then we'll just flip them over. See how it's getting that char going on there? That's exactly what we want. And it doesn't take real long. It's pineapples. So we'll finish flipping them over, and then after a couple of minutes, time to take them off. All right, time to take our pineapples off the grill. They've been charring up just a little bit. And so, yeah, that looks really good. Got good grill marks on there. Nice char that we have going on with these pineapples. And I can smell them. I mean, I wish you could smell this, because that little pineapple smell with the quote-unquote pumpkin spice. Yeah, it's got that cinnamon and turmeric and nutmeg all smelling really good right now. So I'm gonna take these, doctor them up, and we'll put the buns down on for a little bit more direct, just to get a couple of char marks on there. Because even the buns, they're ready to go too. And I'm ready to eat. Tasting our pineapple burger, we are looking good. As I've cut this one in half and got a good doneness there. With good flavor. I put a pineapple on top and bottom. No condiments whatsoever, because, well, the pineapple is the condiment. Should give a good sweet flavor to it. So let's give a taste. Oh my. The sweetness of the pineapple added with the spices. And then you got the other spice of the burger. It comes in and they complement each other very well. That is an awesome taste. I definitely certainly recommend it. And thanks out to Bill for this recommendation. And if you have a recommendation, message me on Facebook or Instagram. Unless you follow me or I follow you on TikTok. I don't think they allow messages, but you can try there too, or just comment on this video what you think you would like to see a recipe that I would do, and see how it comes out. Well, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to have your tasty beverage along with it. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok as well. And I hope to see you next time.
Thanks for watching Floyd at the Grill, a Hilltop Media production.
That is a tasty burger.